Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Homeowners, if your garbage disposal is acting up, don't worry. It's a common issue that many people face. And the good news is, you can often fix it yourself without needing to call in a professional right away. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to fix it yourself. With a few basic tools and a bit of patience, you'll have your disposal running smoothly again in no time. First things first, always unplug your garbage disposal before starting any repairs. Safety first. Now let's get started. Ensuring the power is off will prevent any accidental injuries. Step 1. Check for a reset button. This is often the simplest fix. Most disposals have a small red reset button on the bottom. It's designed to pop out when the unit is overloaded or jammed. If it's popped out, simply press it back in. This might solve your problem right away. Give it a try and see if your disposal starts working again. If the reset didn't work, it's time for step 2. Grab an Allen wrench. This tool is essential for many household repairs, including this one. There's a socket at the bottom of the disposal unit. This is where the Allen wrench comes into play. Insert the wrench and turn it back and forth. This action can help dislodge any debris that might be causing the jam. This could free up any jammed debris inside. Still having trouble? Don't worry, we have more steps to try. For step 3, use a flashlight to look into the disposal. A good light source will help you see any obstructions clearly. Make sure it's unplugged, then use pliers or tongs to remove any visible obstructions. Never use your hands. This is crucial for your safety. Next, step 4, check the disposal from the top. Sometimes the problem can be seen from this angle. Use a wooden dowel or the handle of a broom to try to rotate the impellers inside. This can help if they are stuck. Sometimes they can get stuck, and a gentle nudge will do the trick. Be careful not to use too much force. For step 5, if the disposal still isn't working, you might need to replace the power switch. This is a bit more advanced, but still doable. Turn off the circuit breaker to the disposal, then remove the switch cover and replace the switch. Make sure you have the correct replacement part. Be sure to follow the wiring instructions carefully. Incorrect wiring can cause more problems. Finally, if all else fails, step 6 is to call in a professional. Sometimes a problem is too complex for a DIY fix. Sometimes a garbage disposal just needs an expert touch. A professional can diagnose and fix issues that might be beyond your skill level. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix a malfunctioning garbage disposal on your own. Remember, always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to call a pro if you need to. Your safety and the proper functioning of your disposal are paramount. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY home repair tips. We have plenty of other guides to help you tackle common household issues. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing. We hope this guide has empowered you to take on your garbage disposal repair with confidence. See you next time.